Hi everyone, this is Kuldi from Gestisoft and welcome to a new video on Business Central. Hope you're doing great. This is going to be a quick video on cash flow forecast in Business Central. Before I continue, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Really enjoying all the feedback from you guys. So let's get into it. A cash flow forecast in Business Central, well, it's basically a predictive tool that shows the estimated future inflows and outflows of cash for a business over a defined period. Now, with this forecasting, what you can do is you get a visibility into the upcoming cash position. You also get any early warning of cash shortages so you can plan ahead. And you also have the ability to model scenarios and optimize for liquidity. So let's see how you can do that in Business Central. First, you come up here into the search and you type in cash flow forecast. There you have it. Now for this demo, I'm going to use a default one, but just keep in mind that you can always create a new one if you want to do for your own business. So you can go ahead and click on default. And here, if you cannot see it, just click on more options. You'll be able to see the other options that are given to you at the top here. Click on related, click on cash flow forecast, and go ahead and click on cash flow availability by periods. Now, this is now going to calculate it for you. And as you can see, it has already given me the cash flow forecast for this particular period. Now, you can also change the view that you are seeing here, like in terms of the columns and the different information that is being displayed by selecting it up here. So the ones in gray, those are the default section that you cannot change, but you can go ahead if you want to change the rounding factor or if you want to change the view, like right now it is being viewed by day. So let's go ahead and put by month just to see, and you will be able to see, here we go, it has already changed the period to month now. And if you can also change by the view eyes, whether by net change or the balance date. So you can scroll down here, go ahead and have a look at your cash flow forecast. So this gives you an idea about the upcoming cash flow in your business. So that was it, guys. Very quick video, short and very easy for you to do in Business Central. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.